Solve for x in the following equation. Okay, so we are going to add these guys together here and the bottom one, because we know that ax to the a times x to the b, well, there's ax's and there's bx's, so when you add them together or you multiply them together, you get ax to the a plus b, right? There's x here, all for a of them, and then over here there's b of them, so then you have a plus b of them. Okay, so we can add those two together, and then you have divided by 1. We're just going to subtract 1 at the end. So this thing should turn out to be a to the x to the n plus m minus 1. That minus 1 comes from the 1 downstairs because you were subtracting it, is equal to b. Okay, let's get rid of the a now. Let's divide both sides by a. So we'll be left with x to the power of n m minus 1 is equal to b over a. Now, when we finally get this guy alone, we can divide him by 1 over n plus m minus 1. It's disgusting, but that's the only way to get him out. So when you multiply those two together, n plus m minus 1 over n plus m minus 1 is going to equal 1. We'll be left with x to the power of 1 is equal to b over a to the power of 1 over n plus m minus 1. Don't mess up.